Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make classroom style borders out of just regular paper. So stay tuned for this. So it's called classroom borders in schools such as elementary school, middle school, and high school. Teachers have these borders. Yes, you could buy them for not very much money, but if you want something unique, this is how you do it. So what you do is you get scissors like these. They have designs on them. I know I showed this before. And what you do, let's see, I'm going to find a really nice one here. So I'm going to use this one right here. So what I am going to do is, I'm not sure if you can see it on camera here, take the scissors and start cutting. There we go. So this is what it looks like. There we go, we have a thinner piece, but you get the idea. Turn it around like this. There we go. So now I'm doing multiple sizes so you can see. So basically what you would do is take this one, and put them right beside each other like this to create a continuous border. Just like this. So I'm going to do this, just like this. Actually, I'll do it this way. Cover it up. Just like that. So this would be your bulletin board inside the middle here. That's pretty cool. So what I used is these design scissors to do it. And the paper that I used is called Astro Bright. It's computer printer paper. So that's what I used to do this. So if you are a teacher and you want to create something different, just buy yourself scissors like these. Like this, and some paper and the Astro Bright paper, and have some fun. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.